It is Tonya from Tonya's Bakeshop, and today I'm here with a message to my fellow new YouTubers. So before I decided to become a little bit more serious about my YouTube channel, honestly, I thought that it was something that I could just do in my spare time. And I give so much respect to people who are consistent with their YouTube videos, who produce like quality content and who really go above and beyond to find great locations to shoot and good lighting, and who spend, all their money on cameras. I get it. And it is so frustrating sometimes when you are new into this YouTube community and there's just so many little things. Like, for example, I am not a tech person at all. And when I first started, I was recording all of my YouTube videos on, let me tuck my chain in so you guys can't hear, sorry. Again, one of those things that I just am learning. But when I first started, I was using my iPhone 12 Pro to record all of my videos. And then it started taking so freaking long to upload my videos from my phone to the computer. And then my phone storage was completely full and I was getting super frustrated. I couldn't do anything on my phone. Then we finally decided to splurge and get a camera. And it's not cheap. Cameras are hundreds of dollars. And then we bought mics. The mics weren't connecting to my phone. And then we bought more expensive mics because we thought they would work better or like connect better. Ended up completely wasting money on that. But the good news is the mics ended up being compatible with the camera I bought, but it just goes, I'm just trying to vent and also trying to give a little bit of positive encouragement to people who are in my same shoes. If you are just starting out in this YouTube community, instead of, I see a lot of like online, people are so mean online. Like I see people all the time like being trolls, and guys, it is not easy to get in front of a camera. It is so scary to talk on camera and to produce content and to produce content that you're proud of, because I am my hardest critic and I have had to lately just film stuff and once it's edited, just post. Like I am trying to not nitpick at every little thing, just because if I don't get started, I am never going to get to where I need to be, Everybody has to have a day one. And I wanted to shoot this video in, this is my room and it's like a little corner that I don't have anything in. I have my light here. I wanted to just, show you guys. This is like the day-to-day of trying to become recognized on the internet a little bit. And I think for me, my goal has never been to be an influencer. I don't really want to be like internet famous or anything like that. My whole point to all of my YouTube videos is that I would really like to find people who are interested in joining the fitness community, who they might not think that fitness has ever or will ever be for them. I love fitness. I'm so passionate about it. But I also love to do so many other things. And with my channel, I am hoping to bring you guys into my world a little bit and show you that fitness doesn't always have to be so strict and so hard and so, difficult to stay on track with. I want to give you guys the easy tools to incorporate day-to-day, little things into your lifestyle so that they become healthy habits. And making this YouTube channel was one of my own personal goals, because I get really anxious like filming things like this, because I am really hard on myself. And it is not always easy to come up with content that I'm not like, oh, I can't believe I talk like that, or I can't believe I look like that on camera. And we are our own worst critics. I wanted to show you guys the real and raw, like this. Usually it's me in my apartment complex gym, putting up my lights, putting my mics together. Like the gym doesn't even have mats or dumbbells right now. So when I film, I have to lug my own like mats and dumbbells into the gym. I get your grind, guys. Keep going. Nobody sees what happens behind the scenes and all of the BS you have to go through to get one good video, or how many takes you have to do. Or I can't even begin to tell you guys how many times I've recorded videos and then 20 minutes into the video, or even like 10 minutes into the video, I hate what I'm saying and I delete it, and I'm so frustrated because it's the third or fourth take. And you guys, we will all get there. There's enough success out here to go around. We need to empower each other more. We need to support each other more. And these types of things are not always easy for everyone. I know on the internet, it looks like everybody has their life together and everyone has their content so perfectly aligned and like just so perfectly done and all that stuff. But there is a true struggle behind the scenes of, you know, making content and trying to start your own business. Keep going. I believe in you guys. Please pray for me as well, because this stuff, this entrepreneur stuff, is not as easy as it looks. If you are a new and aspiring YouTuber and you have any questions, I do not have that many subscribers. I do not know that much about what I'm doing, but I am trying to constantly come out with content and videos at least 3 to 4 times a week. So I just wanted to get more traction to my channel and provide good content. But if you guys have questions about how I started or what kind of equipment I'm using, please feel free to comment below. If you have any questions about editing software or anything like that, please feel free to send me an email. My email is tonyasbakeshop@gmail.com. I will do my best to help anybody who would like to break into the YouTube sphere or family or whatever this world is. And if you guys have any helpful tips for me, I would love that. I am in the process of trying to figure out how I can film with one of my close friends. We want to do like a dual series or a dual image series, if that makes sense. Like I want 2 videos recording at the same time, side by side. I have no idea how to do that. She has no idea how to do that. So please give us some tips, give us some help. If you're also, you know, interested in what it's like to be an entrepreneur, maybe I will make a video about that as well. Have a good day, guys. And as always, don't forget to please comment, like, and subscribe. It means so much to us. Every like, every follower, every comment, everything means so, so much when you're starting out, and it really doesn't go unnoticed. I appreciate all of you guys who follow me along on my journey. Thank you so much.